Today we'll be covering the use, care, and maintenance of the CVA 6000 series built-in coffee system. For demonstration purposes, we'll be using the CVA 6800. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. In this segment, we'll show you how to properly clean the milk valve. Residue buildup can affect the proper operation of the milk valve. The milk valve should be cleaned once a week to ensure good quality milk froth without spraying. To begin, we'll remove the milk flask. Simply pull to release. In order to access the maintenance program, I will now turn on the machine. It will go through a rinse. And the dispenser will retract. Now, in order to choose the maintenance position, tap the main menu and then select Maintenance. Then select Clean the main dispenser. Remove milk container and store in a cool place. Already removed, so I'll confirm with OK. Take containers out from under the dispenser. That area is clear, so I'll confirm with OK. The main dispenser assembly is now going to the extended position. Now, before you proceed any further, be aware, do not confirm OK until after the milk valve is cleaned with the cleaning brush. At this point, we're going to clean the actual milk valve. We're going to use a small cleaning brush and insert it into the milk valve and move it back and forth. When complete, we'll remove the brush. Very, very important. Before confirming the message in the display with OK, you must remove the cleaning brush, otherwise the coffee system will be damaged. The cleaning brush is now removed. I'll confirm with OK. It will go through a rinse. And the dispenser will retract. The milk system is now cleaned and ready to go. This concludes the milk valve cleaning video. Thank you for watching. Everything covered in this video can also be found in your operating instructions.